Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at the sine rule. Now the sine rule states that sine of A over A is equal to sine of B over B, which is equal to sine of C over C. That's great, but what is A? What is B and what is C? Well, the way that this works is you'll see that there are three different points to this triangle. And so let's use three different colors. B here, right? B is this value, and the B on it is the side that is opposite. So for A, we're finding A, which is here, and we're going to use the side opposite. So I can forget about C. I don't actually have any information here, right? It's still true that sine A over A equals sine B over B. I can substitute, so sine of x over 9 is equal to sine 37 over 6. X is going to be equal to sine inverse of 9 times sine 37 over 6. So what does that look like in the calculator? Well, sine 37 divided by 6 times by 9, and then inverse sine gives us 64.52 degrees to 2 decimal places. In this next question, we're going to have to begin by drawing a triangle. Right, we're not actually given a diagram. So triangular field has a boundary measuring 700 meters. A secondary boundary makes an angle of 30 degrees with the first. So let's say this is one boundary here. This is 30 degrees. The third boundary of length 600 makes an angle with the second boundary. So this is x here. We can see that we've got a side opposite an angle, and another side opposite another angle. So I can label either of these A or B as long as I'm consistent, right? So as long as I say that sine x over 700 is equal to sine 30 over 600. X is going to be equal to inverse sine 700 times sine 30 over 600. Plot the calculator for this. So I start off with sine 30. I divide it by 600. I times it by 700. And then I find the inverse, which is 35.6 to 2 decimal places, 9 degrees. The measure of x, 35.69 degrees.